It's a much easier way to handle your locomotives than constantly removing them from their original packaging. Hi, this is Marlin here at Hearns Hobbies, and I just wanted to talk to you guys really quickly about locomotive storage and what you can do to better, safely, and more conveniently store your locomotives and rolling stock. So I have here, it's an Auscision locomotive box. They do a variety of different sizes. This is the smallest one that they offer. It's designed for up to 10 locomotives. And we'll just have a quick look. So the protective packaging that normally your locomotives arrive in is wonderfully designed for logistics and shipping, but it's not necessarily the most convenient way to handle your locomotives if you're handling them all the time, taking them in and out of that packaging. A locomotive box like this is a great way to safely store your locomotives where they're more convenient and more easily accessible. As you can see here, I've got a Auscision NR locomotive, and this fits nicely, quite snugly between these foam inserts. So this is designed for HO scale. You could probably also use this for 00 gauge locomotives and rolling stock as well. Then we have a nice Auscision B class in here too. So with this current arrangement, it looks like you could fit 6 large locomotives. If you had some really small ones, you could fit even more. But it's a much easier way to handle your locomotives than constantly removing them from their original packaging over and over again, which, as you guys probably know, can get a little bit difficult and tiresome. So you have this nice foam insert that goes over the top, and then the lid, and then that's it. Nice and easily to transport, put it on a shelf, and again, just significantly more convenient than constantly removing these from their original boxes. So great, that's a quick tip. Thanks guys. Have a great day.